Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is of 6th of December 2023. This is the last webinar of this year. We'll be coming again next year around 10th of January. So, those who are here with me from a long journey, they know me that my name is Rakesh and I'm your host here. We are doing this webinar daily from Monday to Friday at 1700 GMT. Hey there, Janice. How are you doing? Is there anything for me? Okay, guys, our captain is here. Staying late at office, lot of work, and you have spared time to come to my webinar. Nice, I like that. Decided to pop in and listen in the back. Okay, good. So, guys, I'm a Discopy's trading community member. Kindly do not confuse me as an employee, whereas Janice is an employee. I'm not an employee of Discopy Bank. Therefore, all the trading views or ideas that I'm going to discuss in this webinar, they are of my own. It has nothing to do with the bank. I'm just showcasing my own analysis on their platform. And since as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, like let it be news or any fundamentals. So therefore, we will be only discussing the price here, and for that we will be using the candlestick type of charts. There are other type of charts, but we will be only focusing on the candlestick types because they give us the maximum possible information. This is a kind of an interactive type of webinar where you can ask questions in between and after also. And if you have any doubt, I request you that please ask questions so that you don't go home with any doubts in your mind. And if possible, you can also recommend me, or you can actually request me for any particular pair that you are trading right now, or you are having any plans to trade, so that we can have a live analysis of that pair also on our platform. Now I'm going to take you to this these charts of mine, which is being hosted on the demo version of the JForex 3 platform. This is a very good platform if you want to draw the charts actually. Okay, but without further ado, let me take you to the charts. But before that, very crucial, I must take you through the risk disclaimer. You can pause the video here. You can understand it completely, and then we will go to the charts. I have added a few more charts like Ethereum, Bitcoin, gas, USD ZAR, silver. These all I have added other than the major currency pairs. So we will have sufficient, I think, sufficient data to discuss today. So here I go on my charts. This is the first chart of the day on your screen, that is the US dollar index. Now here there is some crucial information on today's chart. This is the Wednesday, the most traded day actually on the Forex. But here something is unusual. Today the price has seen a higher high than yesterday, but the volumes are not rising. As the price is going higher, the volumes are diminishing. So this means that this move to the higher side may not continue above 104.09, which is the previous high that the price has made. So I'm expecting a down move from here very soon. I'm expecting a down move from this level. We have decided yesterday only that above 104.09 we will look for buying opportunities, but till the time that is not done. And also you see that this is a hidden bearish divergence. Now what is a hidden bearish divergence? I will just explain it in quick 1 minute. When you have, say, on RSI or any particular thing, if you have a high and then you have a lower high, or you can say, okay, I'll say it in the from the other perspective, that if your RSI was having a high here and your RSI has taken another high, whereas the price failed to make another high, that means that RSI is creating another leg room for it to go deeper. Okay, so this is the criteria here. We are looking for the RSI to drop. Now where is the RSI right now? 49.89. Is it not the level from where the RSI generally drops, like 50 points or something? Yes or no? Where is my RSI? So what I want to say here is that your RSI is trying to make another leg room or higher than this high to push it down further. So I'm expecting the US dollar to move down from here, and all other majors like euro, pound, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and the Canadian to rise against the US dollar. I'm expecting another move lower from this pair. That's all. So what I'm expecting on euro, I'm actually expecting euro to start rising from here. Although I can see that there is 7 days of fall from here, but still I'm expecting an up move from this area where the price is hovering just now. Now from looking at this candle, this red candle, you might be thinking, why is Rakesh saying that he wants to buy? I'm not buying on the basis of this daily candle, but when I squeezed in, where did you have support on dollar index? On dollar index, we don't have support. This is the one support, 101.52. See, because this previous support, the price has already taken, Janice, since this support is already taken. So now when the price from after making this low here, when the price goes like this, we generally create a channel. I'll show you how. We generally create a channel like this. Okay. And when the price breaks below this, wait, let me make it clean. So when the price breaks say below this, then we become cautious and look for the selling opportunity, and this has to be very close to these levels because these are the resistance. Above that you can place your stop loss anywhere here, and you will be targeting this low. This will be the first low. This has to be tested in a downtrend. This is one thing, and the second target is 101.52. we will be looking for this area, how the price reacts to this. This is the plan. All right. So our support on the downside is 101.52. Yeah. So what I was talking about, euro. So in euro, if you notice that something has just happened today. What has happened? I'll switch to 1 hour. On the 4 hour also it is visible, but I am switching it to 1 hour. This is called the early catching of catching the trend early. Wait, first I will remove this one. Then I will remove this one. Now look at my polyline. The price was making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, or something. Lower low, lower high before making this lower low, then this lower high, and then this lower low. This is 1 hour. Yes or no? So till here everything is good. But recently the price broke this high and made this high here. In between these two high, this is the highest low. Actually, this is the only low, so this becomes our support, and we are expecting this high to be broken in this process. Now, this is a downtrend, but we are expecting this high to be broken. What is this high? Can you see this? This high here is 1.0804. So I'm expecting 1.0804 to be broken, and the next high, which is around 1.0838, to be tested very soon in this market. Now this is based on the 1 hour, but what about the daily? On the daily, we have a strong resistance around 1.0852. So till this level, if it goes fine, but if it starts rising from here also, then 1.1017 will be our target. And when you switch to 4 hour, you will have some intermediary highs here, like this one here, 1.0895 around, this one 94. Thereafter we have this high. So these will also be the intermediate resistances, but I'm not keeping them on my charts. I'll bring them up when the price actually starts moving up and start making higher highs and higher lows, which I am expecting the price is doing just now. Euro dollar on 1 hour morning star pattern, bullish sign. Morning star, is it on 1 hour? Oh, I don't know morning star pattern, by the way. Do you call this as the morning star? I'm sorry. I mean, I don't know morning star. I really don't know. But yes, this up move and this pullback may be seen as a buying opportunity. On the 5 minute, you can see that this is a bull market, and then this can be seen as a pullback. But I don't want to go to the 5 minutes because 5 minutes is too much small of a time frame. So, but I'm expecting the price to break out from here anytime soon, and then this will start giving green candles on the daily chart to you. So now switch back to our own time frame. So yes, the price is trying to take support in this area. I can say that yes, price has to go to these levels before finding support, but no, the price has already been finding support here. 1.0852 is the resistance on this one. Similar is the case for the pound, but pound is not finding support here. It is, I think, going to go deeper. Also notice that the price on the RSI has made a lower low. 59.22 was the RSI on 15th of November, and today it is 56.36. 59.22, 56.36. This means that RSI is headed lower even. Rakesh, everyone, is it just me or the microphone had cut off at one moment? Look later at the 10th minute of the stream. And I'll check out later. I did not disconnect a microphone from my side, but maybe if there is anything like interruption. I have not switched off mic, by the way, Janice. Thank you for bringing it to my notice. I'll check it back at 10th minute. Okay. 3 candle pattern, red, then pin bar, then big green. Okay, that is called morning star. Okay, Anwar. So what is here on the daily? At least this is not going to be a buy. On the 4-hour, has it given any bullish sign like the euro has given us a bullish sign? No. On the 4-hour, no. Has it given any bullish sign on the 1-hour? No. So the pound has not given us any sign, but the euro has given us a sign that it is going to go up anytime soon. So for the pound, it is still an uptrend, and this is a correction. So this correction can continue towards 1.2448 before going up. I'm not buying this market right now, but I'll be waiting for the correction to be over. Yeah, Australian dollar here. Australian dollar has finally entered a downtrend. I think we discussed it yesterday when we said that this area is taken out now. Since this 0.6570 is taken out, now 0.6520 is the target in the Australian dollar. When you switch to the lower time frames, you will understand that once broken the resistance, support, it starts acting as a resistance, and now the price is taking, you can say this area is the area of the sellers where they're pushing the prices down. Now Janice might be thinking that why I have not marked this low as the significant low, because this is not significant, this is insignificant low. Which is significant low now? This is the significant low. So 0.6520 is the area where more and more buyers will be interested. Maybe if they are not interested, then they wait for the next interest level, that is 0.6452. So we'll wait for that price levels. Understood? So now the price is going lower, 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 and you see this bearish pin bar with the huge volumes. That means yes, the price is headed lower toward 0.6520. All right. New Zealand dollar, 0.6120 is the support. If that is broken, then only we will enter a downtrend. Whereas in case of the Australian dollar, it has already happened. In the case of Australian dollar, this has already broken, but in case of New Zealand dollar, it is still holding, and there is a high probability that the price will start going to 0.6225. So when we switch to 1 hour, we see whether something like this has happened, like in the case of euro, something like this has happened or not. Yes, we find it interesting that when the price was making lower highs and lower lows, you see, in this process, this was the lowest high that the price had made, and no, this was the lowest high, and that is taken out. Thereafter the price has made a low, and now it is on the verge of, I think, making a higher high. So something like this is supposed to be formed in this one. Guys, something like this is expected, and the next targets on this one is these highs, and these highs are 0.6199. So approximately 0.6200 is going to be the next level of resistance for this market, and above that 0.6225. is the target, thereafter 0.6273. Hello Benny, long time no see. You did not message me after that. Welcome to the stream, Benny. Are you trading in any market now? Benny or Amin Anwar, do you have any open positions at present? And Janice, if you are listening to me right now, Benny wants to open an account under my name in Dukascopy. Is it possible? Just asking if it is possible. You are the moderator actually, if you can tell me. He want to help me by, registering under me. We can talk it later, okay? I mean, okay, I cannot explain it during webinar. We can talk it later. Okay, so New Zealand dollar is still in a uptrend. It can turn into a downtrend if and only if the price breaks below 0.6120. Till the time 0.6120 is holding, we are not selling this market. Full stop. What about the US dollar against the Canadian? What is happening here? I heard the country's program is being reworked properly, but the guy in charge of the working ministries. I do. I have a buy on. You have a buy on gold, Benny. That's a good position, I will say. I have no bloody idea how they decide upon it. Okay. Even my application was not replied to. I had an email that your account manager will talk to you soon, but nobody called me. Anyways, guys, USD CAD can turn into an uptrend above this. Why my level is not marked? This is the daily chart. This is the crucial level. 1.3626 now is a crucial level. Ask the account manager. Okay, I will ask. So 1.3626 is a crucial level. I think above this we will see 1.3660. But I think 1.3660 I marked because of this confluence. What's happening in gold? I'll tell you. Nag a bit, get on his nerves by sending the email to him. CC support at Dukascopy. Okay. All right. That will open a ticket in the system and he'll have to get it moving. Yes, I understand that. I got your point, Janice. What's happening in gold? We are coming to gold in the next 4 pairs. Don't worry. So here 1.3626 is the next level of resistance. And if that is taken out, we have to start opening buy positions in this one. Whereas I am very bearish on this market. I think even if the price breaks higher from here, it will find a huge resistance around 1.3660, which has been a very crucial level in the past. You can see here. So I'm expecting that level to act as a good resistance and drop the prices again below towards 1.3479 and maybe even 1.3378. What about the USD CHF? Guys, if you have any questions about these pairs that we have covered, please let me know in the chat. So here on the USD CHF, this up move, I think it will be short-lived because Swiss franc is really strong. 0.8874 is very far. You can drop a channel on this pair also by joining the recent highs and the recent lows. This one actually I can bring up. So this may be your level of confluence of 2 resistances. And if you drop, I think Fibonacci, then you will find this is 62% maybe. Yeah, 50% to 62%. So this becomes an area of interest for all the sellers and approximately 50% of the previous fall from here. So yes, guys, I think 0.8874 area should be seen as a very good area of interest. But that doesn't mean that you start buying here. No, do not buy right now, but look for a selling opportunity because the market structure is in a downtrending market structure. You want a very close sell close to 0.8874 and you can target 0.8552, approximately 300 points, 320 points from here. If the stop loss of 20 points, you can target 300 points, nothing like it. Okay, that means you will have to take only one trade in a month like this. So it's worth waiting. What is happening in the USD JPY? Well, yesterday one of my friends said that I want to book profits in this one, or maybe he said that what is possible. I said that 147.50 is the stop loss. And what did I say him? I said him this one. And where did the price go? Do you want to measure what is the high? The high is 147.497. and if I switch it to ask, you can see what is the high, 147.502. So it is like the same price that we discussed yesterday. All right, he can tell you in the chat that I discussed with him that this should be his resistance. Who was that? I don't remember. Who was that? Somebody messaged me. Okay, it was a demo account also. By the way, he has already booked for 200 points in this one. So guys, till now 147.50 from my analysis, I think, yeah, 147.50 is the resistance. Above this, actually 147.45 was the resistance, and that is taken out, this one, but still now 147.4450, and if on 1 hour it has turned into a downtrending, no, but it has to, because the US dollar is weakening in the longer run. I think it must go down, and from the price action also it looks like every high is being rejected here. Do you mean the sold the market? Do you mean the sold the market? Who sold the market? What do you mean the sold the market? I'm sorry, Benny, I did not understand your question. Can you repeat this? Okay, so USD/JPY is most probably going to go down from this ascending triangle. This is an ascending triangle, guys. Okay, something like this is being formed. USD/JPY, did he sell? Was my, yeah, he sold it at 149.50. You don't know? He sold it somewhere here, 149.50, around here, and then he was holding. And I told him that 147.50 should be a stop loss. I mean, he is dragging stop loss down, and now this is his trailing stop. If that gets hit, then he's out of the position. Otherwise, I wanted him to carry this position to all the way to 145.90 and even below that. Okay guys, silver, what is happening in silver? I told you the buying position is 23.23. Below this, you do not buy this silver. Okay, silver is not a buy below 23.23, but above this, yes, you can look for buying opportunity. What you can also target 26.12. That's all. What about gold? Gold, somebody is saying that he wants to buy above 1931. If you get a buying opportunity, fine, but below 1931 you should not be buying. Now somebody is buying this, or he's holding the buy position. I say that this is still a selling market, guys. You have to understand the market structure. This is a must. You see, on the 1 hour, this was the lowest, highest low, or this was the highest low, which is taken out. Thereafter, the market made a high here, then it made a low here, then it made a high here. Actually, this high is not concluded, because the market can make a low anytime soon. So if the market is making lower highs and lower lows on the 1 hour, why would you like to buy this market? On what ground do you buy this market? Simple question. Why do you buy? This is a selling market. So my thing is that if somebody is, I do have a buy on gold. Benny, I think you are going to blow off another account very soon. I bought at 2011. Okay, you bought somewhere here. Okay, if you are, I think I must protect your account. You know it why, right? I must protect your account now. So if you have bought somewhere around 2011, that means you have bought somewhere here. So where should be your stop loss? I think these are your stop losses then. So you have your stop loss below 2020. Okay, I mean 2019 should be a stop loss, at least 2019. It should not be above 2019. Yeah, good. So it can go higher, but you do not want to buy a selling market, right? At least on the 5 minutes, it is a buying market. At least on the 5 minutes. All right. What about the Brent, guys? Brent finally broke that level 76.58. Who is with me on this one? We discussed this, that 76.58 is vulnerable now. 70 is what we are targeting on this one. Where is the 70? Why my targets are not there? 70.10 is what we are targeting now. Yes. So in the process, if tomorrow you see that the price has come back up, so look for a selling opportunity close to 76.58. Never try to catch a falling knife. This is a falling knife. Do not try to sell this here, okay? Wait for the price to come back to this area like this, and then sell it with a target of 70.10. USD ZAR. USD ZAR, we were expecting an up move. That is happening. 19.2702 is the resistance, and the support is 18.5637. But the ultimate support is 18.4540, below which I will be looking for a selling opportunity. Actually, no. Sorry. Because the price has made a higher high, so this becomes your ultimate. This becomes your ultimate supports, 18.5637. Below that, you can open the sell positions. Talking about GBP JPY, slowly turning very close to 184.45, where I will be looking for buying this market. If nobody buys this market close to 184.45, then I will also not be buying this market. Now notice here that this was the low, and the price has not made any lower low, whereas the RSI has made a lower low. That means that there is a hidden bullish divergence. You have to understand this. When the RSI made a lower low, but the price fails to make a lower low, that means there is a hidden bullish divergence. That means RSI is making more headroom to go higher. RSI is making more headroom to go higher. So guys, be very cautious in this one. Okay, this may go up anytime soon. So be ready with your positions. I mean, not your position, but your orders in GBP JPY. There is a possibility that an explosive move will be here very soon. So this may be like this. Okay. Any questions on this one, guys? What about Euro JPY? Euro JPY is 158.73 right now. The price is going in a downtrend, although, but not in a downtrend, even it is just consolidating, I will say, because the price has made higher high and higher low here, but 157.69 on the daily is a crucial support. And also, if you notice carefully, this also has a bullish hidden divergence. Like the price had a low here, now it is a higher low here, whereas the RSI has made a lower low. So keep that in mind. There is a hidden bullish divergence. There is a high probability that the price will reverse from 157.69 to the upside. There's high probability. I'm not saying that you buy this market right now, no, but keep this in mind. Okay. Gas, we thought that there is a possibility that it will go up, but due to the breakdown in the crude oil, I think the price is headed back towards 2.4219. So that is the support. Below this, again, I will say gas is going to dustbin. If it breaks below 2.4219 on the international market, then the gas will definitely see the dustbin, and it can go to the prices of like 2.134 and 1.943 on the international market. Ethereum, slowly and steadily inching towards 2453, which is the first resistance. On the downside, if the price goes 2138, should be seen as a support. Nothing much on this one. Clear uptrend. Bitcoin also clear uptrend. 4400 is the price right now. 48229 is the resistance as per my charts. The support is around 36687. The RSI is very positive, overbought 84.05 right now. Okay, be cautious here in this one. USA 500, guys, this is also called S&P 500. Why be cautious here? Because the market structure is on the verge of a break. It is stuck between two supports and resistances. This low is taken out, this high is taken out. So the structure is stuck between 4536 and 4599. Any close higher than 4599, or sorry, any trade above 4599 will invite the buyers, but any trade below 4536 will start inviting the sellers. From the RSI and the volume, what I can make out is that at these highs the volumes are shrinking, whereas yesterday we have seen some green volumes. Today the red volumes are very low, so maybe some consolidation here and then a rise above 4599 is also possible in this market. So I will be cautious. I will not be opening any trade. Can we look at US 30 also, please? It is same, Benny. It is same. But we will look at that. Don't worry. I told you that New Zealand CAD on the monthly is a buy. Okay. And on the daily also it looks like it is just consolidating before a fresh move upside. Even if it starts falling from here, I'll be looking for buying opportunities only till the time the price doesn't start trading below 0.8224. I'll be buying this market. And the last thing, Benny, my friend, is asking for US 30, so I will say USA 30. Here it is. Okay, the highest high that the price has made is 36,954. This is from where the price started this move. All right, monthly we don't have to look at that back. So the price is in an uptrend. There is a high probability that the price will go towards 36,954. But since these resistances have been broken just now, so you can expect these resistances to act as a support if the price starts going down from here. So yes, even if the price starts going south, you can expect 35,858 and 35,685 to act as a strong support, and the price can extend its move towards 36,954, which is the next level of resistance. So I'll say from the daily point of view, the price is in an uptrend. In this uptrend, you can see that the price made higher highs and higher lows like this. And here also, the price has made a higher high here in this candle of today, that is 6th December, but it has made the highest low here. So this becomes your swing pivot. So this is an important support here. If the price breaks below this level, you sell this market. Why? Because see, this is the high on the daily and this is the second high on the daily. Between these two highs, this is the highest low. So if the price breaks below this, you become a seller. This is it. You got it, Benny? This is very simple mechanical way of finding out which is the right direction of trading, or which direction is the big money going. All right, guys, I hope you know about the support and resistance levels that are really of interest in the coming days and coming hours. I will always request you only one thing, that please do not risk more than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade. And as an analyst, I cannot stress it more, because most of the traders blow off their accounts because of over positioning or over risking. If you risk less than 1%, there is no possibility for you to lose your entire capital on a single trade, which generally happens when you do not take care of the position sizing. So thank you very much for your time here. See you tomorrow. Okay, not tomorrow. I'm sorry, I have been saying this from a long time. But I'll not be doing any webinar tomorrow or day after. I'll be doing the next webinar most probably on 10th of January. You can schedule mails in your Gmail to yourself that Rakesh is coming back on 10th of January 2024. I think 10th January will be nice, or maybe 1st January. We'll see that. Okay, bye bye for now. Take care. And if you want, you can get connected with me on Skype, and my Skype handle is right on your screen. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Good night.